Hey guys, my name is Niels. I'm the Senior Director of Automation Solutions here at Tray. And today I'm excited to do a demo of an agent I recently built using our newest product release, Merlin Agent Builder. What I'm going to do is demo for you an agent that we're building to fill in opportunities using call transcripts that we get from Chorus that are related to those opportunities. This agent came about after having a conversation with one of our sales leaders, and he was lamenting the fact that his AEs were spending so much time doing manual data entry inside the CRM. In fact, he estimated that they spend somewhere around 4 to 6 hours a week just doing administrative tasks, which obviously takes time away from revenue generating activities. One of the other things that he mentioned was that he felt like he was having to chase them down to get this job done, which meant that he didn't necessarily have accurate information in order to make decisions quickly and couldn't feed that information back to the executive level of the company so that they too could make informed decisions. Let me dive on over to Merlin Agent Builder and I'll walk you through how that's done. Okay, so to kick things off, I gave the agent just a basic prompt. I pointed it to an opportunity that I want to do some testing with. I let it know that we're doing a demo. I let it know about the discovery fields that we want to populate, and I wanted it to return some information about that opportunity to me. Now, one of the things I actually did in preparation for this demo is I gave the demo through Zoom and I recorded that on Chorus. And so I'm actually going to use a transcript that's tied to the actual demo I'm giving to you right now to populate these fields. So some of this information should look familiar to you here in just a moment. Okay, so I got some information back, right? And I can see that we have a link to our opportunity here. We have the name of the opportunity, what account it's under, what stage it's in, how much it's for. It's telling us that essentially the fields that we're going to be filling in are these fields, and there's currently not any information in them. So if we come on over here, we can see that those fields are indeed blank. So now let's give it another prompt to go ahead and get the transcripts related to this call and fill those fields in. Okay, so it's replied back to us and it's let us know what information it took from the transcript to fill in on the various different fields. Now, a couple things that are kind of interesting here. One is I didn't tell it the specific fields to get. I just said, get the AI disco fields, and then it went and found those fields on our opportunity. Also, you should, again, see some things that are kind of interesting here, right? So the use case is that we're going to build an AI agent using Merlin Agent Builder to automatically update Salesforce opportunities. I talked about the pain points that I mentioned in the introduction to this call, reps spending 4 to 6 hours a week, higher sales costs due to inefficient use of AE time, leaders lacking accurate information, right? It talked about some of our objectives, right? To increase sales productivity, to provide executives with accurate real-time information, and it talked about some next steps. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Looking forward to seeing what kind of agents you guys are building out there, and talking to you soon. Have a great day.